Today we have a 2011 Dodge Charger with a 3.6 liter engine. We'll be replacing the thermostat. Very simple job. Just remove the air trunk up here. Remove with either a flathead or number 8 on both ends from the air cleaner box, as well as throttle body. Just remove those 2 clamps, as well as unplug the sensor on the back right there. Once you do that, just kind of lift up on this portion and get this off. And then you get all the room in the world to see the thermostat housing. It's held in place by 2 number 10s. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove the 2 number 10s, one up top, one below, and just remove it completely. So we went ahead and took those 2 bolts out, got the old thermostat removed. Now it is the whole assembly, so it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and put this in, placing our 2 number 10s in, and then we're gonna torque this down to about 8 foot-pounds. The specs are about 7.3 foot-pounds, 7.4 foot-pounds. Just gonna bump it up to 8, make it even, and then once we do that, put the radiator hose back on and bleed the system out, or add coolant while bleeding the system out, which I'll show you next thing. All right, also now that we have everything put back together, we're gonna go ahead and add our coolant in. Before doing so, we have to open the bleeder valve here. Just a little flathead. So I've seen some people even use like a quarter, just open it up. Some people just kind of open it up a little bit. I like to open it all the way, make sure, I like to see the bubbles coming out, basically all nothing but water, free flowing. So now with this removed, we're gonna add coolant until nothing but fluid comes out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and give you a view how it's done. All right, y'all, so I did close up the valve quickly, but just to give you a view of what should happen when I open this, it should be nothing but fluid coming out. Now right now I just have water in there because we're testing some other stuff as well, but for y'all's purposes it'd be coolant. So as you can see, it's nothing but fluid, but let me go ahead and just add a little more until you can see it pour out. And it should be just like that. No air, just free. Sorry my video cut out, but should be no air, just free flowing water like that. So just go ahead and close this back up and top off the expansion tank there, the reservoir, and we're done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.